Hey everyone, this is Rachel and welcome to another scrapbooking process video. If you hang out until after the video is through, there are always detailed shots of my current layout. Let's get going! Hey everyone, so right now I have my fourth and final layout for my Christmas and July event series. Well, I think event's kind of a little bit big. Anyway, I'm going to be scrapbooking this one 5x7 photo. Now this is back from 2001. It was at one of those 1 hour, what's it, people picture, something along those line places that my housemate took my nephew to when he was a baby, and they had this scene and these snowballs, and he loved these snowballs. This is one of the favorite photos from that session, so I had it knocking around, and I thought, you know what, I have not scrapbooked this yet, so I will go ahead and do so. So I decided to go for a shelf design. That gray and white polka dotted paper, that is an older one from Pink Paisley from the Yuletide collection. I'm then also going to add that Baby It's Cold Outside cut apart card, which I think is from the same collection. And then I'm also tucking behind it that little scrap of tone-on-tone Heidi Swapp paper from an older collection. And then behind that, I have that ornament paper, and that is from Photo Play paper. Now, I'm trying to make the decision as to whether I want the ornament paper tucked behind the polka dot paper or coming out below, and I decide I am going to have it be behind the polka dotted paper. Now, whenever I do layers like this, I try to work from the top down once I get the layers the way I want them. And so that's what I'm doing here until I make a big mistake, and you'll see that later. But right now, I think I have glued everything down. I am wrong, but that's what I think. So now I'm turning to my title. I know approximately what I want my title to be, but I'm trying to figure out the wording. I know I want something along the line of first Christmas portrait, first Christmas shots, something along those, but I couldn't find exactly what I was looking for until I remembered I had these glad tidings or good tidings. They're an older thicker. They are a black chipboard, but the black, it's almost like on the cusp between dark gray and black, so they're not like super shiny black. So I'm going to use that for the word first. I've also pulled out this sticker that says Comfort and Joy. Now that sticker was actually not an actual sticker. It was the title to the My Mind's Eye Comfort and Joy 6x12 sticker sheet. And I noticed that the entire thing was made out of sticker paper, so I went ahead and fussy cut it. I'm also adding that Charlie Brown style Christmas tree. That is from a My Mind's Eye Sugar Plum collection. I'm going to add a couple more of those. And then I added that tag remnant to the top of my photo block there, and that is from a Tinseling company. Now I'm trying to see if I can work another tag in here, but the tags I have left as part of the Yuletide collection have too many words and too many designs. I do, however, find that holly, berry, and leaf die cut, and that is going to work over on that cut apart card. I'm trying very hard to make these candy canes work, but they just, in the end, they are not going to work. I do, however, as you can see on the cut apart card, I've pulled out several labels, and I will spread those around my page at a later time. So now I am starting to stick things down. I get that Comfort and Joy sticker put down. It's so pretty, I just had to fussy cut it out. And then I find this bell sticker from the Photo Play paper sticker sheet, and I think that is just perfect. I'm also going to add a whole bunch of snowflakes because I don't necessarily need Christmas snowflakes all the time, but since my nephew is in a snowy scene and holding a snowball, it works great. Now, out of the corner of my eye, I see these gold cursive style Studio Calico puffy alphas, and I think, oh, that will be perfect for the rest of my title. And I was happy to find those. So once I finish spreading around all the different snowflakes and I make some decisions about where I want these label die cuts to go, I will finish up my title using that font. So I tuck the ho 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 over the cut apart, and then I'm going to tuck this little Noel one right behind my photo block. Still think my photo block is all glued down. And now I'm going to start, I was going to start doing my title, and then I realized I wanted to add those last two ornament puffy stickers from the My Mind's Eye collection. Here's where I notice, oh yeah, you never actually finished taping this down. So I carefully peel up the parts that are stickers that are stuck to the back page, and I go ahead and glue my main thing down. That could have been disastrous, but it was not, so yay. Yay. I was excited. I was like, oh, I did it without ruining everything. Yay me. So I'm going to try, oh, my paper was just a little bit longer than my paper. I couldn't believe it was actually stuck there. Huh. I didn't think about the fact that they're the chipboard ones that don't really stick all that well. So I'm going to get the rest of my title down, and I'm using my T-square ruler because that's how I roll. And it took me a little bit just to get them out of the package because they were in 2 packages or 3 packages, and I kind of shoved them all into one. So I had to move that over so I could catch the lip of my mat. And now everything is done. I did the word Christmas in all capital and then the word portrait in camel case. And then I'm just going to stick one of the label die cuts underneath the alphas. Now I decide to move the word first all the way over to the left side of where my title is. And that way I can fit a sticker for my journaling to the right of that word. I had found some gray enamel dots. I think they were part of a kit, and I must have lost them at some point, and I had been picking up something and I found them, and I thought, oh, they would be perfect for this layout. So that's what you saw me adding right before I stuck my journaling sticker down. That is a sticker from the Photoplay paper line, and it does have a slightly slick feeling to it, so I decided to use one of my fine liner pens rather than my normal journaling pen, just to be on the safe side. I am almost complete here. I'm just going to add some Shimmer's Night Moves mist to a couple of the spots, basically because I've got that title in there that is that dark color, so I wanted to bring just a slight bit of dark as well. All right, that is it for my last layout for Christmas in July. Thanks so much for joining me. I will put a link to my kit and my Kill a Kit and layout share video in the description box below. Thanks so much, everyone. If you could flick me a thumbs up, that would be great. Have a great day. Bye.